Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 4.5.6 and you're going to shut down with notifications. So you have informed your users that you need to bring the Linux server down at the end of the day to perform routine maintenance. However, prior to shutting down the system, you want to give users 15 minutes to save data and exit the system. So in this lab, the task is to shut down the system using a 15-minute delay before shutting down. Use a server is shutting down in 15 minutes as a manage to all logged in users. So that is all for this lab. So I guess we'll go ahead and start lab. Alright, so we just wait for the lab to load. Should in case you find this video to be helpful, also consider joining my professional membership where you get detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab by clicking on the join button in this video. So we wait for this to load. Alright, this is loaded. We open terminal and type in shutdown. Space -h space plus 15. The server is shutting down in 15 minutes time. Okay, so go ahead and press enter and we'll go ahead and score lab. So in case you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit. Also like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.